If I eat something and it becomes part of me, then what is it that's bigger than me that is eating me that I become a part of? You know what I'm saying? I get weird mind. So I'm thinking about, okay, how do we fit into things that are larger? And I got into this systems thinking. So you see that there are 11 different organ systems, from the respiratory system to the circulatory system to the reproductive system. But we make up one system. So you got nested systems. It doesn't stop here. Then there's an ecosystem. We're part of an ecosystem. I'm not a human trying to save the rainforest. I'm part of the rainforest trying to save itself. Boom.
Oh, wow.
A change of
Very
identity. I'm part
interesting.
of the rainforest trying to save itself. That's legitimate. I'm
Wow.
not there blocking anything. I am expressing this aspect of me. But it's a different system, different level of being.